Good morning, everyone. It is 6:12 a.m. As if you guys can't tell, I am super excited to be in a deer blind. I'm over here in good old East Texas. It is morning number 1. It's overcast and 56 degrees. Still dark as can be in this blind. On my way in, I bumped a few deer, and I hope I didn't spook them too bad, but I can still kind of hear them running around. That's why I'm keeping my voice down. Just put out some fresh corn and rice bran. It's been a long week, and I'm ready to shoot a deer. Well, I can't even begin to get excited about that one. He ducked into it big time. I had the pin settled right on his heart. Let it fly. And as you guys can tell, he just dropped right down into it. If I'm lucky, I got the upper part of his lungs. I felt like I could see a little bit of blood coming out whenever he took off running, but I'm fixing to get out and go look. That freaking stinks, man. That's freaking wild. I've never heard a deer make a noise like that whenever you shoot them. But shooting the same slug trick, raptor trick, and it's a 2-inch mechanical. It could have done the trick. Could have found some lung or something, but I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna get out and go look here in just a minute. I've been looking around this pile of corn right here, right where he was standing. There's some corn and rice bran. And he took off straight right up into there. So we're gonna take I'm not gonna go too far. I watched him take a dead sprint right through there. And I know that it will take him some time to die if I did catch him in the top of his lung. I'm not going to go too far. I'm going to go about 25-30 yards, and if I don't find him and I don't find good blood, I'm going to back out and go eat lunch. I'm going to grab Cody, and we're going to come back out here and slowly and quietly move through. So here we go. I can see the dirt where he ran through. my arrow. Well, obviously no blood on the fletchings. I got maybe, looks like to me I got maybe 4 or 5 inches of penetration. There's a little bit of blood. Smells pretty meaty though. Man. I'm gonna go just a little bit further and then I'm gonna turn around and walk out. Maybe I'll see him laying dead or something. Okay guys, check this out. Can you see it right there? I got blood. It's really bright, so that's indicating that it's a lung shot. I'm pretty sure I hit the top part of his lungs. I don't see, oh, there's another good spot. Blood right there. Okay, I'm gonna back out. I gotta give him time. I'm gonna go back to camp. I'm gonna get Cody, and then we're gonna head back. Another thing I want to show you guys is this tree right here. Hold on. That is a really good sign. Right there. That little oak tree's got a rub on it, and it is pretty tore up. It looks pretty fresh as well. I want to show you guys this other speck of blood right here. So I found blood right here. Found blood right here on this leaf, and then also right up here. Right there. So that's a good sign. I'm headed back in. I'm gonna back out. We're gonna give him some time. He probably ran a pretty good distance, but I sure hope not. Well, I guess that y'all can tell by now that I haven't found my deer. I couldn't even take the camera where we tracked it because it was so heavily brushed. There was too much thick stuff to even take this. So we changed our set for the afternoon. I'm sitting about 20 foot up in a big old tree. I haven't lost a deer in 2 years, so that one kind of hurts. Followed really decent blood for a little ways. It was pretty spotty after about 30-40 yards, and but it was good lung blood. I know the deer died, but he ran a pretty good distance. We tracked him about 150 to 200 yards or so. I found out what had happened. As you guys can see right there, that's my single pin sight, and you have to adjust the slider up and down to change the yardage. Well, the last time I shot it, 3 or 4 nights ago, whenever I shot my pig in the last video, I had it moved up to about 27 yards or so, because that was the distance of the pig. Well, I never adjusted it back down. So, not only did the deer drop, not only did he jump the string, but my sight was also raised up too high. So I know I clipped one lung. We didn't recover it, which stinks. I hate that. I wish it could have gone the other way. I wish I would have checked my sight as soon as I got in the stand, like I always do. But for some reason, I guess because I was so excited, it just slipped my mind this morning. I always make a mental note to do it from here on out. But I'm going to try to redeem myself. And this looks like a pretty good spot. I got a little feeder down here below me. And it just spun, but it's pretty much empty on corn. So I'm hoping something cruises through, a pig, deer, something. And we can run an arrow through it. This is definitely going to be my most challenging hunt, as in filming and shooting at the same time, because the deer could come from anywhere. The animals could come from any direction. So I'm just hanging out. I'm going to put you guys on a tripod just because I don't have a camera arm for the tree. And I'm going to try to do my best to get whatever I shoot on camera for you guys. Okay, that was one of my coolest hunting experiences ever. I know you guys didn't get to see it, but that coyote came running in from right over there on the other side of that feeder, and he came down right through here, and I saw him run past, and he was just passing through. He was just running through, and I started lip squeaking him on my hand, and he turns around and he comes right back, right underneath the stand. That was awesome. I almost had a shot, but like you guys saw, I mean, he just came trotting in, and then as soon as I started to draw, he just stopped and turned around and ran right back out. So cool. We're gonna sit tight and see if anything else will show up. Afternoon 2 in the stand. I'm sitting at the same spot that I shot my spike in yesterday morning. As you guys know, my sight wasn't adjusted where it needed to be. It was a little bit high from the pig I shot last weekend, and I never adjusted my sight back down. I know I've already told you guys this, but it is my fault. We tracked the deer a good 200 yards, following lung blood. There was bubbles in some of it. I know he's gonna die. We just weren't able to recover him. I hate that that happened, but that's just hunting sometimes, and it's my fault. I'm not afraid to own up to my mistakes, and that's part of shooting a single pin sight is whenever you adjust it to shoot at a distance, you have to remember to adjust it accordingly for your next shot. So, again, my fault. Sucks. I wish we would have found it. But, again, that's hunting. So, I've got 3 does that have been hitting this set later in the evening. As you guys know, I sat in a different spot yesterday afternoon on a different piece of property here in East Texas altogether. And y'all know I had a really, really awesome experience with a coyote. I told you guys in like 3 or 4 videos ago that I was going to do my best to shoot a coyote with a bow, with my bow, and I still aim to do that. I was this close yesterday. I've been in for a little while now. It's 3:53. The weather's warmer and more humid than I thought it was going to be, but I'm just going to sit tight and hope that my does show up. Well, that stinks. I didn't get a chance to redeem myself, but that's hunting. There's always next time. As I've said many times, not being able to find the spike was my fault. It stinks, but there's nothing I can do about it now except for remember next time to make myself a better hunter, a better outdoorsman, to recover and kill game cleanly and quickly. Let's just take it as a learning lesson to check all of your gear before and even when you get into the stand. I mean, I knew better. I generally always check my bow to make sure it's set on 20 as soon as I get in the stand. For some reason, it just slipped my mind this time. You guys can learn from my mistakes, so hopefully you don't make the same ones when y'all are in the field. It was a great weekend. Sorry that it was kind of a slower video, but, you know, at least something was shot in this video. You guys did get to see something shot. There's going to be some fun stuff coming up ahead. You guys will be seeing me hunt some different terrain other than East Texas and Central Texas. So the west side is coming, and I am excited. I just need some South Texas in my life now. And Bryce and I and my cousin Cody, which you guys will get to see him in some later videos, we will be headed to South Texas, hopefully in January. Weather permitting, schedules permitting, the 3, possibly 4 or 5 of us, a couple of the buddies will be headed down to South Texas for some javelina and hog hunting. I'm super, super excited. I haven't done this type of hunting in, a good 2 or 3 years. I absolutely love South Texas, and will do whatever it takes to hunt down there as often as possible. So there's lots of new and exciting stuff coming up for you guys, and I'm absolutely thrilled. But I'm going to load all this camera gear up. We're going to head back to Meridian. Got about a 2-hour drive. Well, folks, I've made it home. I told you guys in the previous video that I would be doing the giveaway in this video. That was all the East Texas hunting footage that I have. So right here, we are going to pick one of you lucky subscribers that commented down below in the Oh Deer video on my channel. Videos. Enter the URL. Amount of unique commenters, there's 44 of you. Start raffle and pick random winner. A Mills Outdoors channel. Congrats, A Mills Outdoors channel. I'm fixing to drop a comment in this video. I'll tag you. Also, shoot me a message on Instagram and let me know your mailing information. I will get those shipped out to you. Just want to tell you guys thank you for all of the support. We're growing insanely fast, and it's awesome. All this hard work is paying off. Again, A Mills Outdoor A Mills Outdoors channel. Shoot me a message on Instagram. Let me know your information. I'm fixing to tag you and let you know that you are the winner. Sorry it took me so long to get to this point, guys. I've just been crazy busy with hunts booked and planned and things going on, so glad we got it all worked out. Love each and every one of you. Hit that subscribe button, keep sharing, keep thumbsing up. Don't think that's a word, but I'm still going to use it. Appreciate all the support, guys. Love every one of you. I'll catch you on the next episode.